Hello everyone, my name is Mahendra and I'm a trainer in ICT Foundation. Today in customer service, we will learn about customer interaction steps. In today's session, we will learn and observe effective customer interaction. To start with, let's watch a video.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Tell me. When customer comes to your store, you can wish them like good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. It would be always better if you ask them how they are. It will help you to establish a positive relation with your customer. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am fine. Thank you so much.
Great. My name is Mahendra. How may I help you?
I want to buy a pair of shoes.
Sure, ma'am. I'll help you right away. Just give me a moment. Before showing product to the customer, take some information from them. Like they want to purchase shoes from themselves, from someone else. If it is shoes, then what the number of shoes they used to prefer, what is their color choice, what budget they decided for the shoe, and what kind of pattern they want, formal, casual, or sportswear. Sure, ma'am. I will be happy to help you with that. May I know if you're looking for shoes for yourself or for someone else?
For myself.
Great. And what kind of shoes you are looking for?
Sportswear.
Sportswear. Alright, ma'am. And what is your budget for shoes?
2000.
Great, ma'am. You will get fantastic shoes in this budget.
That's great.
And then what is your shoe size?
6 number.
Great. And what color you are looking for, ma'am?
White and pink.
White and pink. I'm sorry, this color is not available in our store.
Okay.
Thank you. If you don't have the product what customer desired, then you can, instead of saying directly no, use service no. In service no, we offer customer alternate product. I'm sorry, ma'am, this color is not available, but we have a branded new collection and we have great discount going on. If you want, I can show you. Maybe you like
No,
it.
actually, I want only white and white and pink because that's match my dress.
Okay, I'm sorry, ma'am, this is not available.
Okay.
Thank you.
No issue. Thank you.
Even offering after the alternate products, customer is not ready to buy. Take their personal contact information so that you can inform whenever product arrives, customer's desired product arrives. That shows we are concerned about their choice. I'm sorry, ma'am, this color is not available currently, but can I have your contact details so that whenever it is available, I can inform you through message or call?
Sure, you can.
Alright, ma'am, thank you. Please come. So, may I ask for your mobile number, please?
Yeah, it's 85858585.
Alright, thank you so much, ma'am. And what is your full name, please?
Deepika Srivastava.
Thank you. Alright. I'm sorry, ma'am, this time it is not available, but we will definitely inform you once this product is available.
Sure, no issue.
Alright. Thank you so much for coming to our store. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Welcome. Bye.
So, what did we just observe in this video? We saw that there was an executive who was handling the customer, and during the process, wherever he was making any kind of mistake, there was a subconscious mind which kept coming and informing him about the correct steps. Customer interaction is a process where we follow a certain steps in order to make a positive and strong impression on the customer. The first step is welcome or to greet. Whether you are dealing with the customer face to face, over the phone, or through email, it is very important to start the conversation with greeting. That sets a positive tone in the relationship, and if possible, ask how they are. That also creates a positive impression. Next step is to understand the needs of customer. In order to understand the needs, you need to ask certain questions. What kind of product customer is looking for, if the customer wants to use a product or it is for someone else, the budget, color, or size. In order to do that, you need to listen to customer very carefully so that customer doesn't have to repeat the same thing again and again. Once you understand the need, next is to offer the product or give the product that satisfies customers' need. While doing that, always talk about feature, advantage, and benefit of the product. And if possible, ask the customer to try it. Shoes and clothes are the kind of product that can be tried right away. That helps customer to take a decision whether he wants this product or not. And second is that also helps to avoid any kind of issue in future. Fourth and last step is closing. In the end, once the product is sold, thank the customer for buying and visiting your store, and also invite them to come and visit your store again. That creates a positive impression on the customer if you follow all these steps. And once the customer has positive experience, customer talks about it with his colleagues, friends, and family members, and that is how you get new references. So customer interaction is a process where you engage with customer over the call, email, or in person. So today we have learned that customer interaction is a process where you engage with customer over the call, email, or in person. And the steps are welcome or greet, understand, serve, and close. I hope you have been able to understand. Thank you.